This is Signadot, Kubernetes-native validation infrastructure for the AI era. Here's the problem we're solving. Coding agents now write most of the code inside engineering orgs. They're fast, but the validation they can do while coding is narrow, unit test and basic checks. In cloud-native applications, that isn't enough, so agents push out a lot of pull requests. The queue piles up. Reviewers can't keep up. And the tests that run at PR time are mostly mocked. They can't tell you whether the change actually works alongside everything else. The real integration issues show up later, in staging, after the code is merged. And because dozens of changes land at the same time, finding the root cause is slow. By the time you identify it, the agent goes back to coding, and the whole loop starts over. Code generation has shot up, but releases haven't. That's the gap. The bottleneck moved from writing code to validating that it's ready to ship. Here's how we fix that. Signadot gives coding agents sandboxes. Each sandbox is an ephemeral environment with an isolated slice of your real Kubernetes cluster. They spin up in seconds and only deploy the modified services, dynamically routing requests to other stable services as needed to create a lightweight, realistic environment. While the agent is coding, it can run end-to-end and integration tests against live services. If something breaks, it fixes the code and runs again, iterating in a tight, closed loop until the code is correct. Most integration bugs get caught before a PR ever opens. The same sandbox model also works for CI. Every pull request gets its own sandbox. That way you can run the heavy stuff at PR time, regression, performance, security, all against a high-fidelity live environment, not mocks. If it fails, the root cause is right there in the PR. By the time the code is ready to merge, it's already been validated against the real system at every step of the development cycle. Staging becomes a smoke test, not a debugging session. The path from merge to production gets short. The value of coding agents isn't generating more code, it's shipping more features. Signadot closes that gap. Learn more at signadot.com and see it in action with a free trial.